Earth Day is on Sunday, April 22nd, but students from Hofstra International and a slew of other multicultural clubs on campus got a head start on the celebration with the Unity Project, an interactive community art piece. The Unity Project was created in 2016 by Nancy Belmont as a way to unite communities in response to the divisive political rhetoric of our time. Now nearing its third year, this project has been used across the globe to remind us that while we may all be different, at the same time, we have a lot in common.
So this is the Unity Project, and we started it as a collaboration between 10 multicultural student clubs and 4 different campus offices. Basically what we have is 32 polls. Each one has a different identifier on it, so it can be things like your continent of origin, your political view, or like whether you're a dog or a cat person, like, you know, all sorts of different things. So you take a ball of yarn from the middle and tie it around each pole that pertains to your identity. So at the end, every single one of these strings represents a different individual, and we can kind of see that, like, even though we have our differences, it doesn't necessarily divide us, and so we have this project called Unity.